What's so bad about belly fat? The list of health risks tied to being overweight or obese seems to increase every year. While losing weight can be challenging, there are new, compelling reasons to try to shed those extra pounds, especially if they're around your middle. What is belly fat? Scientists used to think that fat was a relatively passive substance. It was simply stored energy. But recent research suggests that fat cells are biologically active. When your weight is normal, these hormones and chemicals keep you healthy. However, if you are overweight, you have many more fat cells than a normal weight person, and the cells are bigger. These supersized fat cells release more hormones and chemicals than your body needs, especially if they constitute belly fat, also known as visceral fat. This flood of chemicals can take a toll on your health, increasing your risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and even cancer. Brain impact. Even the brain can be impacted by excessive abdominal fat. Extra belly fat also carries an increased risk for dementia and asthma. Direct line to the liver. What makes belly fat so much more dangerous than subcutaneous fat, the kind that's on your hips and lower body? Visceral fat's location makes it much more dangerous. Visceral fat is deep in the abdomen, where it surrounds critical organs, including the liver. Blood that circulates through visceral fat drains directly into the liver via the portal vein. Bye-bye belly. How can you tell if you have too much visceral fat? For both women and men, a tape measure is the best tool for assessing how much visceral fat you have. If you are an average-sized woman, a waist measurement of 35 inches or more is considered too much belly fat. For most men, a waist circumference greater than 40 inches is cause for concern. Here's how to manage that. Eat less but eat well. To lose weight, you do need to reduce the amount of calories you take in, but don't make too dramatic a reduction. It will slow down your metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. Instead, decrease portion sizes and make healthy food choices. Eat lots of fresh vegetables and fruits along with lean protein. Make exercise a habit. Exercise is also critical if you want to shed belly fat. Do some form of aerobic exercise, fast walking, jogging, biking, or an aerobic exercise class for at least 30 minutes a day. If you smoke, quit. In addition to all the other health risks, smoking causes you to store more fat in your belly, and try to reduce the amount of stress in your life. The stress hormone cortisol is associated with visceral fat increase, even in women who are not overweight. Get the right amount of sleep. A 5-year study showed that adults who slept less than 5 hours a night gained more visceral fat. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.